Hello, and I'm back with a copy edit special. I wanted this week to show you the befores and afters of somebody who submitted their website for a homepage copy review just a week ago. So I didn't, and I will do this going forwards, take a screen grab of the website before. So I've taken some screen grabs from my video to kind of give you an idea of what it looked like before. So let me walk you through the changes in before and after format. So this is what we had before for this dog trainer's website. And my main suggestion for this dog trainer's homepage was to work on the title of the page. So this is what you see at the top of the homepage. You've got that hero image here, which is lovely. And we had Welcome to Pure Dog Adventure Training in Darlington, which is fine. But it's not really singing the benefits and the ethos of what Pure Dog Adventure Training is all about. So let's see how it's changed. This is the new one. So now it's dynamic and diverse dog training in Darlington. So we can now get a much clearer idea of what's on offer at Pure Dog Adventure Training. We've got a much kind of punchier headline that tells us very quickly that this dog training is a little bit different. Let's see what other changes Laura's made to her lovely website. So this was how the services were displayed previously on the homepage, so 6 across. And what I suggested to Laura was that this was kind of quite difficult for the eyes to read the copy because it's all bunched together. On mobile, it was fine. They were coming up one after the other. But on desktop, it was just quite a lot. So I suggested that she perhaps break those into 3 and 3 to make it easier on the eyes and easier and more encouraging for people to read the copy, because the copy was already really good. And here's what it looked like afterwards. You can see just from looking at that, hopefully, how much more likely you are to read the copy in each of these boxes. It's got space to breathe, and that is really, really important. I'm going to take you a skim through the homepage in a second, but let me just show you another couple of things. So this is what the reviews looked like before on desktop. Again, on mobile, they looked fine. This box was big and you could read all of the copy. But as you can see on desktop, I can only read a tiny bit of it. And actually what's grabbing my main attention is the headline over here. So I suggested that Laura have a look at tweaking that. And she did. And this is what it looks like now. So this is being pulled directly from Google. You can click on the read more to read the whole thing. And now, rather than my eyes being drawn here, also, I'm seeing immediately that she's got 107 5-star reviews, which is pretty impressive. But my eyes are drawn over here, and I can skim through and read as many of them as I like. Really teeny tweaks, and that's what the copy edit is all about. Teeny tweaks that make a big difference. So I'm just going to literally take you for a quick skim through the homepage as it is now. Lesson learned in future, I will take a screenshot before. Look at this section. It's now so much easier to read. I actually want to read the fantastic copy that Laura's written purely because of layout change. We had the headline change at the top, the reviews change, and this. Everything else has pretty much stayed the same. And she's now got a homepage which is much easier to read and more engaging. If you would like your own copy review, you just need to simply send over the copy to me at hello@thecaninecopywriter.co.uk, and I will take a look. The caveat is that it will be shared here on YouTube so that other people can learn from it. All right, see you soon.